Hey everyone, welcome to the unboxing video for the XPS 13 9300. Now the device I have in front of me right here is it's a press edition, meaning everything inside the box, what you see here in this video, may not be a true representative of what you may get when you get your device. To show that they're doing their bit for the environment, this box here and every box inside this box is actually 100% recyclable. That means once you've taken out your laptop and your plugs and etc, whatever may be in there, then you can recycle the whole thing. This is a press edition. This means this box has already been opened, not by myself. This is my first time opening it, so it's gonna have fingerprints on it essentially, so we just have to deal with that, even though it bugs me so much. Alright, let's go. So speaking of fingerprints, a giant one right there. So let's get with the unboxing. Ooh, I like that. I'm not sure if you can fully tell what's happening there. When I do that, it actually lifts out the laptop for me to grab, which is quite cool. Oh, okay. So you kind of have to hold it like that and then pull it out. That's nice. That's a huge difference from the boxes that they used to do. So the box that we've just taken away, that's 100% recyclable. This box right here is also 100% recyclable, and can I just say, a huge well done, and they've done amazing with this. Like, this is a huge upgrade from what you used to get from a premium box from Dell. Is that magnetic? That is magnetic. That's a nice premium touch. This actually feels so premium. I'll be honest, I don't actually want to recycle this. Ooh, that's nice. I'll be honest with you, I can't tell any difference at the moment. I do know though the XPS 13 9300 has a 16:10 aspect ratio, so it's meant to be more square. But looking at it right now, I really can't tell the difference. So let's just get the device out. So inside the box, you'll also get your power cable, user manual, although they've stopped giving your entire user manual inside the box now. If you do want to get your entire user manual, just go to the Dell website and type in your service tag. Your service tag is located on the bottom of your laptop. It will say service tag or it will say ST. So let's take out the power brick and the plug adapter. So this is the US version that we currently have. So I'm assuming on the retailer versions that you get, you will get a dongle with it as well. So it's going to be a USB type 3 adapter, I'm assuming. So USB type C to USB 3. There's a little inscription here. 100% recycled plastic, 25% from ocean-bound sources. To find out more, go to dell.com/ocean plastics. Please recycle responsibly. They've done their bit for recycle. Like, look at that. This is smart. That is clever. I didn't even notice that. They've got a cardboard cutout over here, so if this was just in there, it will literally just bounce around, right? However, they've put a cardboard cutout in here, which then levels it off. That's a nice touch. Considering how premium this box actually looks and feels, I mean, just that magnetic touch. I don't want to throw this away. This is all now recyclable. That means I can take this box and recycle it. That's amazing. A huge thumbs up for that one. So, the Dell XPS 9300. I'm now going to go through some features and benefits and talk you through what's actually different between this machine and the predecessor for it. Hey everyone, welcome to the part of the video where we take a deep dive into the product. We're going to go through a quick overview, what features it has that are new, and also look at how it differs from the predecessor. So let's start with a quick overview. So as you can see, the device has a brand new 4-sided Infinity Edge display. This means a greater viewing experience for the user. It also has a brand new modern design, and this modern design, they are referring to the 16:10 aspect ratio of the machine. This ensures that the user can actually display more content on their page. So no matter what they're doing, whether they're browsing the web or they're doing actual content creation, they'll be able to fit more onto their page. The device is also 2% smaller and 6% thinner, and you'll be happy to know In this device we're offering the latest 10th generation Intel chip. The XPS 13 9300 also boasts improved panel specs, which we'll touch on very shortly. And finally, if you haven't gathered it already, it's got a brand new premium packaging which is fully recyclable. So you, the customer, will benefit from a device that's been precision cut out of premium materials. Not only that, it will offer you a best-in-class display, meaning whether you're watching media content or creating media content, you will have the best experience possible. Let's discuss design, innovation and engineering. What have Dell done in these areas for the customer? I'm going to start with the diamond cut sidewalls. In short, this gives the user a sense of relief, in all honesty. This will ensure that the sidewalls of your actual laptop cannot get scratched. The double anodized sidewalls depict the pinnacle of attention to detail. Speaking of attention to detail, that Dell logo that you see on the lid of your laptop, that's actually laser cut from a piece of stainless steel, and then it's hand inserted into a machined cutout outline of the logo. That's pretty crazy. You can rest easy and not worry about getting scratches on your display. Dell have provided Corning Gorilla Glass 6 as a safety measure, say, to complement their best-in-class immersive experience. And you can feel even more confident with the build of your machine, knowing that it's actually CNC cut out of one block of aluminium in just 2 pieces. This ensures the structural rigidity needed for a premium device like this. To make the laptops even stronger and more durable, we tend to make the palm rest out of carbon fiber and woven glass fiber. I bet you didn't know this. The carbon fiber that we actually use on our laptop is actually recycled from the aerospace industry. If you want to learn more, click on the link below. Dell actually do a huge bit for recycling and they're offsetting their carbon emissions quite great. It's a great story to read, but let's continue with the product video. Whoa! Oh, look at that! It's got a 2% smaller body, 6% thinner, and a 6.8% larger display. That's thanks to the 16:10 aspect ratio. Oh, and look at that! It's also got a 91.5% screen to body ratio. That is crazy. Oh, look at that! It's just under 1.5 centimeters. So let's give you a few more cool things you can boast about when you have this laptop. It has an up to 19-hour battery life. You've got adaptive thermals, which essentially tell the computer how fast it should perform depending on how you're using it. Gore thermals, if you don't know what that is, it's essentially the thermals that are on the Mars rover. That's quite cool. The same technology used on the Mars rover is in your laptop. And also, it's got our 2.7mm webcam with a 4-element design and temporal noise reduction. I dare you. Go into a shop, launch the webcam, find one that's better than ours. No USB webcams, that's cheating. So going back to the best-in-class display. When Dell say they have the best-in-class display, what they're referring to is their 500 nits of brightness. Now some of you may be like, oh, but so and so may offer 800 nits or 1000 nits. Let me stop you right there. Just because it has higher nits doesn't mean it's a better display. Brighter, yes. More prone to possibly burning out, also yes. Dell have done enough research to understand that 500 nits is the optimum brightness that you would need for your machine. Not only that, they're providing you a 100% sRGB color accurate display. That means for content creators, this will be your best friend. A device that's thin and light that you can carry with you and create content on, being rest assured that the color accuracy that you see on your display is exactly what you need. You have 2 color options, Alpine White or Carbon Fiber. Both of them offer their own advantages. For example, the Carbon Fiber has great thermal conductivity, where the Alpine White has a stain resistant palm rest, meaning if I wanted to, with a water-based marker pen, I can write on the palm rest and simply just wipe it off. I know we've touched on this already, but just to finish off on it, The brand new premium Dell packaging that you're getting with this brand new XPS 13 9300 is made out of 100% recycled material, and also it can be 100% recycled once you're done with it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one. Peace.